Now when it comes on to the skin, it's always good to use a moisturizer on the skin. I suggest you use a moisturizer in the morning and at night. Hydrates the skin and keep the skin soft and supple. So what I'm going to do for you today, I am going to show you how to make a quick and easy moisturizer at home. This moisturizer can be doubled as a serum. The base of this moisturizer, you can use it as a serum, and then you add some oils to it to turn it into a rounded moisturizer. Now guys, this moisturizer is rich in antioxidant that will help to keep your skin looking younger and fresher. So what are you waiting for? Follow me to my kitchen. I'm going to show you the recipe really quick. Now to make our quick and easy moisturizer, you're going to need a base for the moisturizer. I am going to use some aloe vera gel as my base. Another base that you can actually use for the moisturizer is some shea butter. You can also choose to use both as a base. Today I'm using a simple one, which is the aloe vera gel. So I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of the aloe vera gel. Pouring this in, 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel. And next I am going to be adding some oils to this. However, before I add the oil, I'm going to add a little bit of a vegetable glycerine. You can add vitamin E if you don't have the vegetable glycerine. So I'm using a teaspoon of the vegetable glycerine. We're making a quick and easy, simple moisturizer for your skin. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a spoon and I'm going to mix the aloe vera gel and the vegetable glycerine together. And now aloe vera gel help to clear pigmentation on the skin, help to brighten the skin, good for sunburned skin. Now if you have to go out in the sun and you just made just this aloe vera gel and vegetable glycerine, you can apply this on your skin and it's going to help to keep your skin cool. Now we're making a moisturizer, so we are going to move on. Now take a look at what I have here. Here I have some rose water, and yes, we're going to mix the rose water in because it's very hydrating, but we're using just a little top of the rose water, around about a teaspoon of the rose water. Pouring this in and we are going to mix in. I recommend using the store-bought aloe vera gel for this recipe. And the fact that we have the vegetable glycerine, look at it. This is just now more jelly consistency. And I would suggest that you add the ingredient to this just the way I'm doing it. Now because this is still very much jelly-like, I'm going to go back in with a little bit more of the rose water. Just a little bit more. So about 2 teaspoons of the rose water, 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel, and also 1 teaspoon of vegetable glycerine. We're making an homemade hydrator, a homemade moisturizer. Now once this is done guys, you can choose to use this on your skin as a serum, okay? Use just the aloe vera gel, the vegetable glycerine, and the rose water as a serum, but to take it up a notch and make it into a moisturizer, you're going to use some of your favorite anti-aging oil. Now a very popular anti-aging oil is some squalane oil. And let me tell you a real quick truth about the squalane. The body produces its own squalane. However, as we age, just like collagen, the production slows down. So we need to replenish the skin with natural squalane. And this is it right here. So we're going to use a few drops of the squalane, around about a teaspoon of the squalane oil. Pour this in. And this helps to boost the collagen and elastin in the skin. It helps the skin to be firmer, and it also helps to hydrate the skin. So we just had a teaspoon of the squalane oil to this. Now I'm going to move on to another anti-aging oil that I personally like, and this is the papaya seed oil, rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E. This helps to reduce wrinkles and fine lines, help to clear pigmentation, help to boost collagen production in the skin also. I'm using a teaspoon of the papaya seed oil. Now if you want to make more of this moisturizer, all you need to do is double up on the ingredient. Now if you take a look at this, because the way we're mixing it, even though we have the rose water in it, you can notice that there is no separation because we mix that rose water. in the aloe vera gel. And aloe vera gel is water-based, but when you put oil to it, it still absorbs it. So here we have some aloe vera gel, some rose water, some vegetable glycerine, squalene, and papaya seed oil. And that's it, guys. This completes our homemade moisturizer. Now, you can choose to use any two oils that you want in this. You can use cacao oil, you can use marula oil, you can use avocado. As a matter of fact, let me touch a little bit of avocado oil in this. Just a few drops, about a half a teaspoon of the avocado oil. Just pour this in. And I like the avocado oil. It's a carrier oil, so it makes sense to use a little in this recipe. And now we're blending this together. And this is our anti-aging facial moisturizer. A moisturizer that can help to transform your skin. Now let me just pour this in a small container really quick. Now you can use this moisturizer on your face AM and PM, morning, noon, and night. And 2 to 3 drops of this on your skin is all you need. Very hydrating to the skin. And take a look at this. Let me just put a little bit on my hands for you to see. And this is just going to absorb in my skin. And this is what makes this amazing. Look at that. This just melts in the skin. It's not greasy at all. You will just not believe how cool this is on the skin. Hydrates the skin and keep the skin just looking younger, firmer, fresher, brighter, with a natural glow. No need to store this in the refrigerator. Store it on the countertop, and when it is done, make a new batch. This is good for about a week.